We will learn to do pico. Use a rolled hem presser foot for pico. It helps to create narrow and clean hems. And keep the tension between 2 and 3. Match the presser foot with the needle and attach the presser foot properly. Push the presser foot lifter downwards to lock it. Take the needle thread and put it behind. Fabric's lower side should be in the upward direction and upper side should be in the downward direction. While placing fabric, don't place it from front side. Place it from sideway and place it little ahead of the needle. Hold both the threads and manually make 2 or 3 stitches by rotating the hand wheel. Make sure right stitch should be on outer part of fabric and left stitch should be on upper part of the fabric. Hold the thread from behind while starting to stitch. Use your hand to guide the fabric edge into the presser foot curl or hold the fold steady. You can look at the perfect picot stitch from all the sides.